Is it time to buy or sell SOXL ETF? In this video, we are diving deep into SOXL. Our initial report was published on our website on Monday, the 21st of April, 2025, and now we are here to provide you with an even more detailed analysis. Remember to subscribe, hit the like button, and turn on the notification bell to stay updated on our latest analysis. You do not want to miss any crucial updates that could impact your investments. Enhance your trading decisions by trying our newly launched AI stock analysis tool, powered by GPT-4 at StockInvest.us. Tap into the power of AI and get free price predictions and deep analysis for anyone among 45,000 companies worldwide today. Please note that this video is for informational purposes only and should not be considered as financial advice. Since the 25th of March, 2025, our system has ranked SOXL as a sell candidate, assigning it a score of -4.8. Now, let's examine the performance of the exchange-traded fund during this period. The ETF has faced a loss of 57.62%. This results in an average daily loss of 3.03% since it was designated as a sell candidate. The exchange-traded fund lies in the middle of a very wide and declining trend in the short term, with further declines indicated within this trend. The current 3-month trend suggests a potential change of approximately -68.8% over the next 3 months, with possible returns ranging from -81% to -63.49%. Looking at the longer term, our 12-month analysis indicates a projected change of -46.21%. Based on our calculations, the stock's performance could range from -100% to 153.25% over the next year. In practical terms, this would place the future price somewhere between $0 and $22.06. Our latest daily update for SOXL presents the headline: SOXL ETF price fell more than 5.17% on Monday, closing at $8.71. On the last trading day, which was Monday, the 21st of April, 2025, the SOXL ETF price decreased by 5.17%, dropping from $9.19 to $8.71. This marks a decline for 3 consecutive days. Throughout that trading day, the ETF experienced fluctuations of 7.24%, ranging from a low of $8.15 to a high of $8.74. Over this period, the price has shown volatility, resulting in a loss of 0.23% over the last 2 weeks. Notably, trading volume increased on the last day by 21 million shares, despite falling prices. This could serve as an early warning sign, suggesting a slight increase in risk over the coming days. In total, 251 million shares were exchanged, amounting to approximately $2.19 billion. Looking back over the past 52 weeks, the highest price for the ETF reached $70.08, while the lowest was $7.23. Currently, the price sits 87.57%, or $61.37, below the 52-week high, and 97.70%, or $369.53, below the all-time high recorded on November 26, 2020, when the price peaked at $378.24. The Direction Daily Semiconductor Bull 3x Shares Exchange Traded Fund, known as SOXL, has faced significant volatility recently, particularly amidst ongoing tariff concerns and reductions in demand. After experiencing a steep decline, some analysts suggest that SOXL may be approaching a bottom point, with attractive valuations in key semiconductor stocks like Texas Instruments, Nvidia, and Broadcom indicating potential for a rebound. Following the announcement of a 90-day tariff pause, leveraged exchange-traded funds, including SOXL, saw a brief resurgence as the market reacted positively. However, competition within the artificial intelligence space, notably from companies like Google and Amazon developing custom graphics processing units, continues to exert downward pressure, eroding margins for Nvidia and similar players. In the short term, the strong sell sentiment surrounding SOXL, influenced by its past performance and tracking inefficiencies, is driving cautious investor behavior. Long-term prospects remain clouded due to fears of ongoing technological shifts impacting semiconductor demand. Ultimately, while SOXL could attract speculative investors looking for a rebound, the ongoing market turmoil and competitive landscape make its short and long-term trajectory uncertain. The following signals have been identified for SOXL. Currently, there are minimal to no positive technical signals. The SOXL exchange-traded fund is showing sell signals from both short and long-term moving averages, indicating a more negative outlook for the fund. Additionally, a general sell signal arises from the relationship between these two averages, as the long-term average is positioned above the short-term average. During upward corrections, there will be resistance at the levels of $9.74 and $15.88. A breakout above either of these levels would provide buy signals. A sell signal was generated from a pivot top point on Wednesday, April 9, 2025, and since then, the price has declined by 31.79%. Further declines are anticipated until a new bottom pivot is established. Moreover, there is currently a sell signal from the 3-month Moving Average Convergence Divergence, or MACD. Volume increased as prices fell yesterday, which may serve as an early warning. Therefore, it is advisable to monitor the ETF more closely. Here are some other signals you might find interesting. Moving Average Convergence Divergence, sell signal. Pivots, sell signal 8 days ago. Bollinger, buy signal 85 days ago. Short-term moving average, sell signal 4 days ago. Long-term moving average, sell signal 42 days ago. The relation between the short and long moving averages, buy signal 40 days ago. If we look at the 12-month chart, we see short moving average, buy signal 21 days ago. The long-term moving average, sell signal 42 days ago. The relation between the short and long moving averages, buy signal 177 days ago. Remember to visit our page at StockInvest.us if you want to find more signals. Support, risk, and stop loss for SOXL. On the downside, the exchange-traded fund finds support just below today's level from accumulated volume at $8.25. With no support from accumulated volume below today's level, the risk is increased, as a drop below the support may lead to a significant decline in the ETF price. This ETF can experience considerable movement throughout the day, and, with a very large prediction interval from the Bollinger Band, it is considered to be very high risk. Over the last day, the ETF fluctuated by 590 cents between its high and low, representing a change of 7.24%. For the last week, the ETF has recorded a daily average volatility of 9.88%. Now let's discuss some potential day trading levels for SOXL. In case of an upward trend, the first resistance level for SOXL is at $8.73. If you don't own any shares, you may want to wait for this level to be breached before entering a position. For those already holding the ETF, this could be a level to consider for swing trading. On the downside, SOXL encounters its first support level at $8.25. If this support level holds, it could be a good entry point anticipating a rebound. We have received a negative evaluation for this exchange-traded fund, and no stop loss has been established. Is SOXL ETF a good buy? SOXL currently shows several negative signals and is trapped within a broad and declining trend, suggesting that it will likely perform poorly in the upcoming days or weeks. Consequently, we maintain a negative assessment of this ETF. Our analysis has been updated from a strong sell to a sell candidate since the last evaluation, after reviewing the volatility and movements from the previous trading day. Our systems indicate that the current price is overvalued. For trading on Tuesday, the 22nd of April, we anticipate that SOXL will open lower by 177/100ths of a dollar, beginning trading at $8.53. We remind you that trading involves a high risk of losing money, and that you should speak with a financial advisor before buying or selling any securities. You should not base your investment decisions upon StockInvest.us. By using this information, you agree and accept responsibility for your own investment choices. This is our current view of the exchange-traded fund. Do you agree or disagree? Please share your thoughts in the comments below. What is your target for the exchange-traded fund? Remember to like and subscribe. We wish you successful trading and hope you have a wonderful day from all of us here at StockInvest.